My research focuses on the relation between moral principles on the one hand and conceptual understanding on the other. Basically, I try to defend the role of principles in moral reasoning against a view called moral particularism. And I do that by arguing that in order for us to make our actions intelligible to ourselves and to others, we must acquire a conceptual understanding of a situation. And although such an understanding needn't be based on a set of simple, exceptionless rules, it does require the kind of generality that comes with conceptual thought as such. When I applied for PhD programs, I wasn't quite sure in which direction my research project would develop. So rather than looking for a place that would match some highly specific research interest of mine, I chose a place that exhibited the kind of diversity that would allow me to pursue all different philosophical interests that I have. And because I had done work on topics in both the continental and analytic tradition, Warwick seemed like a really good place for me. The philosophy department has a lot on offer for graduate students. In fact, it can be quite difficult to keep focused on your own research when there are so many different things happening in the department. There are different reading groups, seminars, talks and conferences during term time. So the way I try to handle this is by carefully choosing 2 or 3 events that I attend each week. Last term, for example, I audited an MA module in Hegel's logic, went to a reading group on meta-ethics and attended the Work in Progress seminar, in which graduate students get a chance to present and discuss their work. The Work in Progress seminar is a great opportunity to meet other graduate students, share ideas and socialize. The rest of the week is reserved for reading and writing. It can be quite daunting in the beginning to be faced with such a huge project, but regular meetings with my supervisors help me deal with that pressure. From my experience, the best way to decide where you want to study for your PhD is to visit relevant departments, speak to the people and get a sense of the community. That's what I did before I came to Warwick, and the first impression that I had was very much confirmed when I started studying here. I think a good place to start looking is the website, and in particular the academic staff section.